a beautiful island located in Thailand that can be easily accessed through Phuket or Krabi. It is great for those people that love doing boat trips during the day and partying at night. There aren't any cars on the island, and the main form of transportation, aside from walking, is to take a boat. The accommodation in Koh Phi Phi ranges from low-end hostels all the way up to high-end resorts and everything in between. For the high-end resort, however, you actually reach them by boat after you get off the main ferry. Since they are located in the north tip of the island, you can catch a longtail boat from Tong Zai Pier. There are no shortage of things to do on this island, and I'm going to be going over some of my favorites, so let's get started. Day trips from Koh Phi Phi are a pretty popular thing to do here, and the town is actually quite quiet in the afternoons because everyone is out on the water. You can organize these day trips through your hotel or anywhere that sells boat tickets, and a typical one costs around 1,100 baht a person. These boat tours often take you to places like Monkey Beach, Maya Bay, and other local islands to go snorkeling. Maya Bay was recently shut down, but you can still see it from a distance.
Oh, I just wanna be.
And we're off.
Oh, I just wanna be. Hey, what you say? Wanna stay in a hotel? Champagne and room service all night.
There's definitely no shortage of restaurants in Koh Phi Phi, and they include a ton of Western food options along with delicious Thai spots.
Healthy breakfast option. So we've arrived at this restaurant called Grand Phi Phi Arcade. Summer roll here. Yeah. Stocked up on Nescafe. 7-Elevens and those little mini marts are absolutely huge in Southeast Asia. They really have everything you'd ever need. Now we're at a place called Cosmic. This actually looks quite good.
Spending the day tanning at the beach or by your hotel pool is always a good way to relax and take in Koh Phi Phi. Most of the hostels don't have their own pools, but you can pay a small fee to go lounge at a hotel pool close by.
We have just left the beach now and come over to our hotel's pool. It's actually called Lay Beach Club. Got a mango shake and ordered a 2-for-1 margarita pizza.
You can't come to Koh Phi Phi and not enjoy a bucket or two. And partying is a super fun part of the island, and the beach parties at Slinkies and Stones go well into the evening.
Okay, so this is more chill. We have the Moonlight Bar. I feel like this is more the vibe we're looking for right now. You guys feel like staying in a party place, Ibiza Dorm Sunset. Now, this one is about twice as busy, twice as loud. Each beach bar actually turns into one another, and their music all kind of just like mashes together. You don't really know what's going on, you're kind of confused, but a lot of fun, and definitely check them out when you're in Koh Phi Phi.
After recovering from a night out, going for a quick massage to make yourself feel a little better is always a good idea. Other fun things I'd recommend to do during your time here is to hike up to the Koh Phi Phi viewpoint, pet all of the wild cats on the island, and spend a bit of your money on cheap clothing. So that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it and got some good tips on what to do during your time here. Definitely leave a comment below on some more suggestions for what to do while in Koh Phi Phi if you have been here before, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!